So I'm starting on another project, making a sign for my workshop. Something I always wanted. Just in the early stages right now. Got some 1x6 screwed together, some rough wording on. I want to do some painting. Put some string lights around it. We'll see what happens. So it's got a background painted on there. I'm hoping these letters will bleed through. I don't want to have to redo them all. And there's my painting. Turned out how I kind of expected it to. It doesn't look realistic, but it has that cozy cartoon kind of look to it. The lettering bled through for the most part, which I wanted. I'm going to retrace that out and then paint the lettering. So I did some of the lettering on this painting. It's not quite dry, but I'll probably go over it again just to brighten it up. But it's looking pretty good. So since last night, I put on these little string lights that my wife picked up. And I put a border around it, made from this barn board. About a month ago, my wife noticed all this barn board getting thrown away, so she went and picked it all up. So I got a really nice stack behind my workshop. Been doing some projects with it already. And to hang this sign, I have this other piece of barn board I'm going to rip down